Why Elon Musk rushed to China? It has become a big discussion point here after he skipped his India visit recently. So here are the key facts about it. Number one, China is the second largest market for Tesla outside of US, and it also has a gigafactory there that can produce 1 million units annually. In 2023, Tesla produced 940,000 vehicles there. Number two, China is already a very large market for EVs and hybrids put together, and the market is expected to be over 10 million units in 2024, growing at 20% over 2023. Number three, Tesla is facing significant competition from homegrown Chinese majors such as BYD and a bunch of other players. Even the telecommunication giants such as Xiaomi and Huawei have launched their electric vehicles recently. China is also becoming a hotbed for EVs with significant product development capabilities. If rumors are to be believed, then Tata's Jaguar and Volkswagen's Audi are looking to build their next generation electric vehicles on Chinese platforms. Already the luxury car brand Volvo is owned by Chinese player Geely. Number four, in his visit, Elon Musk seemed to have struck a very important deal to run his autonomous vehicles or full self-driving vehicles in China, and he also seemed to have struck a deal with Chinese internet giant Baidu to collect data and also transfer the data to US. So if it is true, then it is a very big win for Elon Musk and Tesla, and there is no wonder why he has rushed to China. And Tesla stock was also up almost 16% yesterday after this news, and it is almost close to $100 billion in market cap gain. Now, finally, his China visit has nothing to do with his India plans or India visit. In India also, he actually cracked a very important hurdle, that is that of the import duties, and he negotiated to bring it down from 100% to 15%, and this also paves the way for many other automakers focused on EVs to come and invest in India. So it is just a matter of time before we get to hear from him about his India arrival and also India plans. That's all. Thanks for watching.